Hello everyone, this is Liz with EC QuickBooks Training, and I just wanted to do this quick video and give you a quick tip on the Sales Tax Center. Now, I have reconciled my February accounts, so I was looking at my tax center and the balance I owed, and then I went to my chart of accounts and the amounts are different. So remember, this chart of accounts will be on your balance sheet. So what I did was I went in there, the difference is 60/80, and I went to go see what the difference was, what was causing for the chart of accounts to be higher than my tax center. And I found this invoice. So it turns out that QuickBooks will, in your tax center, will not include this taxes because this invoice has not been paid yet. It will be in the register because it has to record the sales tax and keep track of the sales tax. But as far as the actual taxes that have been paid and that we need to pay would be this. So let me show you when I put a payment into that invoice and see what happens. Give me one moment. So I apply the payment to that 60/80 invoice, and now the amounts are the same. Let me just go to the tax center. As you can see, 1172.32 and 1172.32. So I just want you to be aware that if your tax center amount is different than your register on the balance sheet, it's because of that. You may have open invoices that have not been paid, so QuickBooks will not consider those as taxes due yet. Please subscribe to my channel for more how-tos, tips, and tricks in troubleshooting for QuickBooks. I will see you on the next one.